The 5th Street Bridge project is complete. That means it's easy to get to downtown Courtenay and experience more art, culture, shopping and dining.
The patio is open at Atlas Cafe.
Come see us at Claude Bigler and Friends.
In downtown Courtenay.
Come in and enjoy some design therapy.
Come in to Teashead.
Come into House of Color.
Welcome to West Coast Elements.
Come in to Jim's.
Come on down to Sacred Earth Metaphysical.
Welcome to Delicados.
And don't forget to come into the Potter's Place Gallery.
Come get a cone at Blue Spruce Ice Cream. Come and see us at the cottage.
Welcome to La Cache and April Cornell. Come on in.
Welcome to Searles Shoes.
Welcome to Downtown Courtenay.
Downtown Courtenay is awesome.
Welcome to States of Summer.
Welcome to Bot City.
Hi, come on into 5th Street Florist.
Come on into the Laughing Oyster. The bridge is open.
Welcome to Nikkei Ramenya. Please come in.
Come see us at Whale's Tail.
Welcome to Engel and Volkers.
Welcome back to downtown Courtenay.
Come on in to Extreme Runners.
With all the spare time you're going to save with no bridge lineups, come on into Edible Island and pick up a couple extra things.
Come on in to Off Main.
Welcome to Happy Sorcerer Sports.
Come on into the Butcher's Block.
Come visit us at Ski Tack Hut, downtown Courtenay.
Come and check out the Comox Valley Art Gallery.
Welcome to Cloves.
Welcome to the Courtenay and District Museum and Paleontology Centre.
Welcome to Authentic.
Come check out Rangi's European Deli.
Come on into Uplifters and get uplifted.
Come on into the HMCS Alberni Museum and Memorial. Welcome to Mud Sharks.
Come on in to the local refillery.
Now that the bridge is open,
Come on down to Gladstone. It's the heart of Courtenay. Downtown Courtenay welcomes you.